Hey everyone, this is Jeff with Pi of Genius, and I just made a blog post and I thought I would read it to you. There's a little infographic that I put. It says, "Making progress?" question mark. Consistent baby steps of progress towards your goal is a powerful achievement. Let me read that again. Consistent baby steps of progress towards your goal is a powerful achievement. And here's why I say this, because oftentimes we're not quite at the success place yet, and we can be a little discouraged. And so I want to read you this blog post that I wrote, and here it goes. Okay, one of the most important questions you can ask yourself as a business owner or a leader is, am I making incremental progress towards my goal? I often have clients that initially come to me and say things like, "Wow, I thought I would have succeeded at this already." Or they say, "It seems like everybody else is further along than I am." Or they say, "Nothing seems to be working." But here's the truth. All those inspiring stories that you've seen or read about are created by people who are doing the following things. They're failing a lot. They're learning as they go. They persevere even when successes are slow to come. They have bad days. They have good days. And they have days when they feel like quitting. And they're moving forward step by step, making incremental progress. If any of those things resonate with you, I would encourage you to take some time to reflect back and celebrate all of the little and the big successes and actions you have already taken. Like the Great Wall of China, success is built one brick at a time. You may not have built your wall yet, but I bet you have made progress and learned many lessons that can help you going forward. So maybe, just maybe, take a pause and take 5 minutes to notice and to celebrate your past and your present wins. And if you're part of a team, take some time to acknowledge your progress together. So keep making incremental progress. This is Jeff with Pi of Genius, and hope you guys have a great day. Keep leaning into your genius. And if any of you would like someone to help come alongside and partner with you to really help you further your vision to get closer to your goal with more ease and speed and alignment and clarity, I know who you can talk to. All right, guys, this is Jeff with Pi of Genius. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.